Namaste! Let's make these super easy and fun stickers. You know what is the best thing about these stickers? That you can get all the materials within your home itself. These are the only 4 materials you would require. You can either draw your stickers or get them printed. I got these minions printed and now I am cutting them from a margin. I have already got cuttings of more prints. So it's time to convert them into stickers. Let's start by placing one of them on an OHP sheet and cover it with a sellotape. Now cut the sticker, leaving a margin between the print and the sandwich of plastic sheet and tape. I am repeating the process with all the prints. And our stickers are ready. Now it's time to stick them in my journal. And look how beautifully they have turned out. If you like this fun activity, then go and make your stickers at home. Don't forget to share your creativity with me on my Instagram account mentioned in description. And if you want to watch more such art videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel.